Hi everyone, this is Teacher Marichu and welcome to our learning activity on Math Packs for Grade 8, Quarter 1, Week 4B. And the objective of this activity is for the learner to perform operations on rational algebraic expressions. Specifically, this discussion will focus on addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expressions that contains different denominators. So here is the concept of LCD, or the least common denominator. So for example 1, I will just go over with example 1 just to get through with the exercises. The substance of our discussion in this learning activity is actually to answer and discuss the solution for the exercises. So you have here the steps for example 2. Just go over it. You can pause this video whenever you want so that you can internalize the concepts being explained in this learning activity sheet. So we have so far example 4 and we're almost there to exercises, and we have 5 exercises. You will notice that the denominators for each exercises are different. Okay, so for the direction, perform the indicated operation and express your answers in simplest form. For number 1, a plus 2 all over 2 plus a minus 3 all over 3. Solution, we have here denominator on the first term is 2, second term is 3. So these are prime numbers, so LCD is the product. For the product, we have 6. LCD is 6. So let's write 6 here. And how did we get this expression? Let me explain it here. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Copy 3 here times the numerator of the first term, quantity a plus 2. Copy the addition sign. Then 6 divided by 3, it's 2. It's 2. So copy here 2 times the quantity a minus 3. So copy this one. Next, we have 3 times a, it's 3a. Then 3 times 2, it's 6. Plus 2 times a, it's 2a. Then 2 times negative 3, it's negative 6. Then simplifying, 3a plus 2a is 5a. Then 6 minus 6 here is 0 all over 6. Final answer is 5a all over 6. Number 2, we have 4x plus 3 all over 3x minus x plus 2 all over x. Solution, we have copy, and we notice we have 3x in the denominator here in the first term. Second term, we have x, common is x, and 3. So we let denominator equals 3x. Then moving on, 3x divided by 3x, it's 1, or simply times 4x plus 3. So we have 4x plus 3 minus 3x divided by x, 3. So we have 3 times the quantity x plus 2. It's important that you have to put x plus 2 inside the parentheses so that you will not be confused. Then 4x plus 3, copy. Then this 3 distributed to factor x plus 2. So negative 3 times x, that's minus 3x. Then negative 2 times positive 2, minus 6. Then simplifying 4x minus 3x, that becomes x. And 3, positive 3 minus 6 is, you subtract 6 and 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. And copy the sign of the larger number 6. So in this case, it's negative 3. So numerator will become now x minus 3. And just simply copy the denominator. Number 3, 1 over y squared minus 4 plus 3 over y squared minus 5y plus 6. Solution. We copy and then we factor out the denominator of the first term. We have factors y plus 2 and y minus 2. The factors of the denominator of the second term, we have y minus 3 and y minus 2. So you can pause this video for you to verify factors here by just simply multiplying this, and you will end up with the original y squared minus 5y plus 6. The same is true with this. Okay, for the LCD then, look at the denominator in the first term and the second term. So in this case, we have y plus 2. We don't have y plus 2 here, so we take y plus 2. Then y minus 2 and y minus 2, it's common, so we have to take also y minus 2. Then we don't have y minus 3 here. We have y minus 3. We have to take it. So the least common denominator is quantity y plus 2 times quantity y minus 2 times quantity y minus 3. Moving on, we have copy the LCD here. Then this LCD divided by this denominator of the first term. So what is left is y minus 3 and 1 times y minus 3 plus. Just put y minus 3 inside the parentheses first. Plus, copy 3, and then LCD divided by the denominator of the second factor. So what is left is y plus 2. Then, simplifying, we are now on the step 1 times y, then 1 times negative 3 minus 3, plus 3y plus 6. Copy the LCD, and simplifying, last and final step, copy the LCD. Then we have y plus 3y becomes 4y, negative 3 plus 6, or simply 6 minus 3, we have positive 3. Moving on to number 4, simple fraction 1 over x minus 1 over y. Solution, obviously LCD is x times y. Copy the LCD here, then xy divided by x, that becomes y times 1, it's y, and xy divided by the denominator of the second term, we have y, it's x, times negative 1. So we have final answer is y minus x all over xy. And for number 5, x over x plus 2 minus 8 over x squared minus 4. LCD, we copy the first term, but we have to factor out the denominator of the second term. Then LCD is x plus 2 times quantity x minus 2. Copy the LCD here. LCD divided by x plus 2. So x plus 2 will cancel out. Then x, copy x times what is left when the LCD is divided by the denominator of the first term is x minus 2. And since we got the LCD from the second term, we just copy the constant minus 8. And we have to distribute x to x minus 2. We have x squared minus 2x. Then we copy minus 8 all over the LCD. Then factoring out the numerator of the resulting algebraic expression, we have quantity x plus 2 times quantity x minus 4. And finally, we can cancel x plus 2 both in the numerator and denominator, leaving us with the final answer x minus 4 all over x minus 2. Moving on to the numeracy scale. So you have here, I'm just browsing, just pause this video and try to answer your numeracy scale. It's so easy to understand. And so long for this video. This concludes our learning activity sheet. on the topic for Quarter-1, Week 4B. So we have here, again, this is Teacher Marichu saying, stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye.